Alright, so basically what I started to do is I took out the hose that goes right here that was leaking, or I think that it was leaking because I got a mean ass leak under here from that shit. Like, you see like a little tiny puddle. Oh fuck, I gotta find it. Oh, I can't find it. Oh, it's like, wait, it's like right under that hose, kind of like a puddle. But yeah, I took it out. Let's go to AutoZone and go buy part really fast. AutoZone and picked up a hose. Hopefully it works. He gave it to me for free, which is pretty dope. But now I gotta put some shit on there. I broke all these fucking thingies. Yeah, let me find these now. Let's not do it. I got 2 of these hose clamps. Now I gotta connect it to this. Damn, this is gonna be a big bitch to do. Alright, I'll get back to y'all when I finish this. This hose that I had this one, it wasn't curved like this one. So I had to go get that one. And I had to take all this shit out from our room and I could just see what I'm actually doing, probably do some more shit. But yeah, I just gotta tighten these up and I'm done. Put everything back together, hoses are on. Right here, fam. Shit's back on. Time to put some water in here. Going in and this shit running great. Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys.